I'm Spencer Rosen, and I'm the VP of Business Development at Savari. At Savari, we connect vehicles with one another and with the infrastructure, including pedestrians and bicyclists. V2X stands for Vehicle to Everything Communications. So the way the vehicles act right now, they're really all independent actors. We have sensors on board like cameras and LiDAR, and that provides a certain degree of awareness. Where we're heading, though, is really fusing that data from the various sensors to enable 360-degree awareness for all vehicles. Let's take a scenario where you're following 3 cars behind a car that unfortunately gets into a crash. Right now, the best that you can do is hope that you hit your brakes in time. In the future, the data will flow from the vehicle 3 cars ahead up to the mech, and in a daisy chain fashion, that data will be communicated to each of the vehicles that are following. And this all happens in a matter of milliseconds because of 5G and mech. 5G gives the ecosystem here that hyper low latency that is critical for a huge number of use cases in V2X, and it also provides that reliability that is so critical, particularly when we're talking about safety use cases. We need also for the computing to be hyperlocal. The closer that compute happens to the vehicle or set of vehicles, the lower that latency will be. So you need not only 5G, but also the hyper-local compute that comes with multi-access edge compute. We see a really exciting future where we have a level of intelligence in the traffic system itself. And it's all the investment that is happening right now into 5G, into mech, with Verizon, with AWS, is preparing for these next levels to make our transportation and our mobility safer. And that is the vision of the future that we are just starting to imagine and thankfully are enabling in the infrastructure today.